Eastern Wishes is a brand new collection from our friends at Hunkydory. I'm going to start with this, but I'm going to show you everything in the collection. This is the Luxury Topper Card Kit, and as you know, this is going to have so many things in it. We will begin with having this idea sheet, so lots of ideas to kind of jumpstart your creativity. Now, in this collection, you will find 102 foil die cuts. Here's just some of them. And then with every sheet, you can see that there are multiple images, of course, but you will also have a foiled cardstock, and then you'll have a printed cardstock, all of them coordinating perfectly with those die cuts. So that's one. And we'll go into this. Isn't it beautiful? The butterflies, the flowers. Here is the foil cardstock, and here is the printed. Again, you see how the images coordinate. And we have this with the peacocks, and this is the foiled sheet, foiled on two corners, and this is the printed sheet with all the peacock feathers, and this one. So here we go. And you get two of each of these, and we've got there are 8 of the foil. You get 2 of each one, and there are 8 of the printed. Again, you get 2 of each one. So that's what starts off the Eastern Wishes collection. Now we're going to go into the next one, which is the Parchment. And the Parchment has 16 sheets. There are 8 designs, which is twice as many as what they usually have. So you're going to get, and these are all A4 size, so you're going to get that one. I'll slide it over so you can see each one in full color. Just beautiful artwork. And as always, everything matches. You're going to hear me say that a whole lot. Here's some fuchsia with the hummingbird. Again, those peacock feathers, just really pretty. All over pattern. And then we've got some clouds. So that is the collection of the Parchment. Then we will go into the inserts. Now, they do call them inserts, but if you've watched our product videos, our webisodes, you'll notice that we use them not only for inserts, but also for card toppers. So there are 36 sheets. There are 12 double-sided backgrounds and 24 single-sided backgrounds. So let me just show you every single one. I'm going to scoot this package over. Again, they are ghosted back images of the artwork that I have just shown you. And there's actually some additional artwork in here too. And these are all single-sided. They are A4 size. Then we're also going to get some that are all over patterns. And that is something new from Hunkydory, that they have turned some of the inserts like this into an all-over pattern. And they are double-sided, which is also interesting. So I think just to give you lots more variety, lots more of what you want to see. So again, I'm showing you one of each, but there are a total of 36 in that collection. The next matching piece is adorable scoreable cardstock. Now this has 30 sheets. You're going to get 10 colors, and you're going to get 3 of each. And the colors, of course, are going to match perfectly with the Topper collection. And hopefully I am showing you all 10. That's my intention. Yes. Come on. There, one more. Okay, so all of those, you're going to get 3 of each. Very useful. These are single-sided. They are white on the back side, so you always have white cardstock. Now, there's some extra things in this collection, and the first of which is what they're calling this paper pad. Now, in this, there are 72 sheets. They measure 3 3/4 by 8 inches, and just let me show you each one. You're going to get 18 designs, and you're going to get 4 of every single one. 4 of every single one. And let me just show you. These are single-sided also. And with a little bit of trimming, they're going to fit perfectly on our slimline cards. So that's nice to know. Some are all over patterns, or you may elect to cut some of those out. Many of them are just full designs. Love the dragon. And there's our peacock again, a pheasant, and more. Learned from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Really nice. And thinking of you today and always, and then some tea. So this is the paper pad. Now, we also have some very interesting cards. And this is what the package looks like. It comes all sealed. But what you're going to get is 24 cards in envelopes. You're going to get 12 cards like this. This is going to come flat, it's what you saw on the front. And this is going to, when it's all accordion folded together, it's going to measure 2 3/4 by 6 inches. Now, you can elect to let that be kind of this fun accordion fold card, or if you want to trim the legs off, you've got a really nice tag shape, so that will be nice too. Or you can elect to make it go like this, and you've got a lantern. So just lots of options with this. 12 of these with envelopes. Then you're going to have 12 of these. Now this measures 4 1/4 by 6, and this is a gatefold card. So again, it's going to come like this. You're simply going to fold the inner ones in a valley fold, the outer ones in a mountain fold, okay? And then just bring them together, and you have this really interesting look for a card, and you're going to get 12 of those with envelopes. So that's really nice. And there's more. There is a cutting die. Well, actually there's 2. So this is called Lit with Love, and I'll show it to you this way. So you're going to see this is 1 die, and it can make a lantern, or you can elect to cut these apart, or even cut out the areas of them to get even more double duty out of them. This has 6 dies. You can see the flowers, and there's an example right there. This each piece is going to measure 3 by 4 inches, so that's handy to have. And then this is another one which I just love. It's really pretty, and this is called Oriental Touches, and this measures 4 inches by 5 7/8 inches, so just really generous. It has 2 dies. The outer die is the scalloped, the inner gives you all of this, and again, you can use them together or independently. Now, there's one more thing, and that is this one. This is a concept card. Now, it's going to make a card like this. Let me show it to you. And it is this very fun card that's going to expand out like so. Isn't that nice? So easy to do. All of the pieces are included, and you will be able to make 8 cards. There are, let me see, there are 4. Well, I guess I should really just show you. Here's what the sheets look like. In fact, this is the one that I used to make the one that I just showed you. And so you can make that. You can also make this one with the birds on it. So you're going to get 2 sheets of that. And let's see, you also have this with the tea and the flowers, 2 of those, and then this one that has a variety of things, the lanterns and so forth. You can see the colors. These are all printed double-sided, so it just makes them go together perfectly. Lots of greetings, and that's always fun with Hunkydory's concept cards. So it's the same style, but you've got lots of options, and of course the directions are included, which makes it foolproof. And you can go on the product page for this one, and you can see I'll step out how to do this accordion card. So all of this is from our friends at Hunkydory, and such a wonderful collection with so many goodies and lots of fun shapes. All of it is called Eastern Wishes.